Keys to Learning, Chapter 1, Grammar 1. Pronouns. I, you, she, he, it, we, you, they. So you singular, one person, you plural, two or more people. They. Okay. Please take notes on these pronouns. I, you, she, he, it, we, you, they. In your notebook. Write down numbers 1 through 5. Match each item in the left-hand column with a pronoun in the right-hand column. Write the letter of the correct answer in your notebook. Mr. Gomez and I, we. Mr. Gomez and I, we. Carmen and Maria, they. Pablo and you, you. That's the plural you. Pablo and you, that's the plural you. Carmen, she. Carlos, he. So practice that. Now copying the sentences in your notebook. You're going to say the sentence with me 2 times to practice this English. Carmen is from Mexico. Carmen is from Mexico. She is from Mexico. She is from Mexico. Carlos and Carmen are from Mexico. Carlos and Carmen are from Mexico. They are from Mexico. They are from Mexico. The book is from the United States. The book is from the United States. It is from the United States. It is from the United States. Maria and I are from El Salvador. Maria and I are from El Salvador. We are from El Salvador. We are from El Salvador. Mr. Gomez is from the United States. Mr. Gomez is from the United States. He is from the United States. He is from the United States. So you are copying the sentence and completing it in your notebook. Grammar 2. Present tense of be statements. Practice saying these with me. I am from Mexico. I am from Mexico. You are from Mexico. You are from Mexico. He is from Mexico. He is from Mexico. She is from Mexico. She is from Mexico. It is from Mexico. It is from Mexico. We are from Mexico. We are from Mexico. You are from Mexico. You are from Mexico. They are from Mexico. They are from Mexico. Now we have contractions. So instead of saying I am, we say I'm, you are, you're, she is, he is, he's, she's, it's. When we speak, we shorten these two small words. We push them together. It's called a contraction. Okay? Say this with me. I am, I'm, you're, he's, she's, it's, we're, you're, there. So when we try it this time, let's use the contraction. And instead of Mexico, let's say Vietnam. Okay? Let's try that. I'm from Vietnam. I'm from Vietnam. You're from Vietnam. You're from Vietnam. He's from Vietnam. He's from Vietnam. She's from Vietnam. She's from Vietnam. It's from Vietnam. It's from Vietnam. We're from Vietnam. We're from Vietnam. You're from Vietnam. You're from Vietnam. They're from Vietnam. They're from Vietnam. Okay. Now let's look at this chart again. Anytime we have a chart like this, we are taking this down into our notebook. We are copying it and we are studying it. So we have affirmative statements. Affirmative statements say yes. Negative statements say no. No. Affirmative, negative. So we could say I am from Mexico, or the negative, I am not from Mexico. And let's change Mexico to another country. Let's say Cuba. Practice saying it with me. I am not from Cuba. I am not from Cuba. You are not from Cuba. You are not from Cuba. Okay. You can also use this one. You're not from Cuba. You're not from Cuba. I'm not from Cuba. Okay? He is not from Cuba. He is not from Cuba. She is not from Cuba. She is not from Cuba. It is not from Cuba. It is not from Cuba. We are not from Cuba. We are not from Cuba. You are not from Cuba. You are not from Cuba. They are not from Cuba. They are not from Cuba. Okay, when you're ready, let's look at the exercises. Directions. Copy these sentences in your notebook. Then, fill in the blanks with the correct pronoun and the correct form of be. Okay, the correct pronoun and the correct form of be. Use contractions. Use contractions. They're not students. They're not students. I'm from the United States. I'm from the United States. It's nervous. It's nervous. He's not from Mexico. He's not from Mexico. We are teachers. We're teachers. We're teachers. When you're ready. Directions. Change each statement. Change each statement from affirmative to negative or from negative to affirmative. Change each statement. Write the new sentences in your notebook. He's a teacher. Make it negative. He's not a teacher. He's a teacher. He's not a teacher. Copy that down. Number 2. I'm not from Peru. The opposite. Negative, now affirmative. I'm from Peru. I'm not from Peru. I'm from Peru. You're a student. You're not a student. You're a student. You're not a student. She's my sister. She's not my sister. She's my sister. She's not my sister. It's not pretty. So this is negative, make it affirmative. It is pretty. It's pretty. It's pretty. Keys to Learning, Chapter 1, Grammar 3, page 23. Present tense of be, using yes or no questions. Practice saying this with me. And remember, anytime you see a grammar box, copy it down into your notebook and study it. Am I from Mexico? Am I from Mexico? Yes, I am. Yes, you are. Am I from Mexico? Yes, you are. No, you're not. Are you from Mexico? Are you from Mexico? Yes, I am. Are you from Mexico? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Is he from Mexico? Is he from Mexico? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. No, he's not. No, he's not. Is she from Mexico? Is she from Mexico? Yes, she is. Yes, she is. No, she's not. No, she's not. Is it from Mexico? Is it from Mexico? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. No, it's not. No, it's not. Are we from Mexico? Are we from Mexico? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. No, we're not. No, we're not. Are they from Mexico? Are they from Mexico? Yes, they are. Yes, they are. No, they're not. No, they're not. Okay, so practice that on your own. Remember, am I? You answer with you. Are you? We answer with I. So copy the questions into your notebook. Then write the answers. Is Carlos from El Salvador? No, he's not. Is Mr. Gomez from the United States? Yes, he is. No, he's not. Which one is true from the story? Are Carlos and Carmen from Mexico? So they. Yes, they are. No, they're not. Which one is true? Look back at the story. Is Carmen from the United States? Yes, she is. No, she's not. Which one is true? Are you from Mexico? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Which one is true? Read the conversation. Then listen. Are you from Peru? No, I'm not. I'm from Mexico. Are you from Peru? No, I'm not. I'm from Mexico. Okay, we will do this with partners later. Keys to Learning, Chapter 2, Grammar 1, page 30. Grammar 1. Present tense of have, affirmative statements. Anytime you see this green box, you need to write it down in your notebook. Practice saying this with me. I have lunch now. I have lunch now. You have lunch now. You have lunch now. He has lunch now. He has lunch now. She has lunch now. She has lunch now. We have lunch now. We have lunch now. You have lunch now. You have lunch now. They have lunch now. They have lunch now. So notice the difference. Have, but he, she, and it is has. Has. Okay. Study the schedule and copy the sentences below into your notebook. And you're going to write true or false. So are you to only write true or false? No. Copy the sentence. Say the sentences with me. Carlos and Carmen have the same English class. Carlos and Carmen have the same English class. That's true. Let's find out. Carlos and Carmen have the same English class. Period 3 English. Period 3 English. Carlos has music after lunch. Carlos has music after lunch. Carlos has music after lunch. Is it true? Yes, that's true. Carmen and Carlos have math together. Carmen and Carlos have math together. Carmen has math, 6th period. When does Carlos have math? Do they have math together? No. That is false. False. False means not true. Carlos has art. Then he has history. Carlos has art. Then he has history. Carlos has art. Then he has history. Is that true? Yes, that's true. Carmen and Carlos have the same PE class. Carmen and Carlos have the same PE class. Carmen and Carlos have the same PE class. Let's find out. PE. Do they have the same PE class? No, that is false, not true. Part B. Directions. Copy the sentences into your notebook. Then fill in the blanks with the correct form of have. You have art now. I have music after lunch. We have history together. They have English with Mr. Gomez. He has science with Mrs. Kim. Say them again. You have art now. I have music after lunch. We have history together. They have English with Mr. Gomez. He has science with Mrs. Kim. When you're ready, let's look at Grammar 2. Page 31, Chapter 2, page 31, Grammar 2. Present tense of have, negative statements. So we had affirmative statements, yes. Negative statements, no. I do not have lunch now. Say it with me. I do not have lunch now. You do not have lunch now. You do not have lunch now. He does not have lunch now. He does not have lunch now. She does not have lunch now. She does not have lunch now. We do not have lunch now. We do not have lunch now. You do not have lunch now. You do not have lunch now. They do not have lunch now. They do not have lunch now. Okay, when we say do not, most of the time we use the contraction don't. Especially when we are speaking, we say don't instead of do not. The contraction. Instead of does not, we say doesn't. And again, it does not as well. Let's practice that with the contraction. I don't have lunch now. I don't have lunch now. You don't have lunch now. You don't have lunch now. He doesn't. He doesn't have lunch now. He doesn't have lunch now. She doesn't have lunch now. She doesn't have lunch now. We don't have lunch now. We don't have lunch now. You don't have lunch now. You don't have lunch now. They don't have lunch now. They don't have lunch now. Write it down in your notebook and practice saying it. Study it. Directions. Change each statement from affirmative, it's crooked, to negative. From affirmative to negative. Write the new sentences in your notebook. Use contractions. Use contractions. Number 1. Liliana has PE now. Let's change that from affirmative to negative. Liliana doesn't have PE now. Say it with me. Liliana has PE now. Liliana doesn't have PE now. Carmen has math with Liliana. Carmen doesn't have math with Liliana. Maria and Liliana have English class together. Maria and Liliana, what do we say? Don't, exactly. Maria and Liliana don't have English class together. Maria and Liliana don't have English class together. I have math after lunch. I don't have math after lunch. I don't have math after lunch. Number 5, you have 7 classes. You don't have 7 classes. You don't have 7 classes. Okay. And a new chart. Anytime you see this chart, these charts, what do you need to do? You need to copy it in your notebook. All right. Do I have math after lunch? Do I have math after lunch? Say it with me. Do I have math after lunch? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. No, you don't. No, you don't. Do you have math after lunch? Do you have math after lunch? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. No, I don't. No, I don't. Does he have math after lunch? Does he have math after lunch? Yes, he does. Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. Does she have math after lunch? Does she have math after lunch? Yes, she does. Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. No, she doesn't. Do we have math after lunch? Do we have math after lunch? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. No, we don't. No, we don't. Do they have math after lunch? Do they have math after lunch? Yes, they do. Yes, they do. No, they don't. No, they don't. So look at the sentences in this previous exercise. Up here, this previous exercise, 1 through 5. Change each statement to a question. Example, does Liliana have PE now? So turn it into a question and write it in your notebook. Does Liliana have PE now? Does Carmen have math with Liliana? Do Maria and Liliana have English class together? Do I have math after lunch? Do you have 7 classes? When you write a question, make sure that you are writing a question mark at the end. Okay, so number 1, number 2. This is number 1. Number 2, does Carmen have math with Liliana? Does Carmen have math with Liliana? Question mark. Sorry, that's so messy. And you're going to continue with number 3 and 4 and 5, turning these statements into questions. All right, this is from Keys to Learning, Chapter 2, Grammar 3, on page 33. We're looking at plural nouns. and how to spell plural nouns. Okay, we see our grammar boxes. We are writing these down in our notebooks, taking notes, and we're going to study them. Here are the 2 rules. To make most nouns plural, add s. So singular, plural. Singular is 1, plural is 2 or more. The number. Singular is 1, plural is 2 or more. So 1 student, 2 students. 1 book, 100 books. 1 cap, 5,000 caps. 1 pencil, 1,000,000 pencils. Student, students. Book, books. Cap, caps. Pencil, pencils. So the S at the end. But if the noun, a person, a place, or thing is a noun, person, thing, thing, thing. Person, a place, or thing is a noun. If a noun ends in S, X, SH, or CH, add ES to make it plural. Class already has 2 S's. We cannot put a 3rd S there. We can't do that. No. So we say class, ES, classes, classes, class, classes, box. We can't just add an S there. We have ES, boxes, brush, brushes, lunch, lunches. So if the words end in S, X, SH, or CH, add ES to the end for the plural. Okay, first exercise. Copy the words into your notebook. Then write the plural form of each noun. So writing down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Brother, brothers. Brother, brothers. Class, classes. Class, classes. Desk, desks. Desk, desks. Pencil, pencils. Pencil, pencils. Box, boxes. Box, boxes. Schedule, schedules. Schedule, schedules. And then we have a possessive adjective lesson. Be sure that you're writing this down in your notes, and let's practice it together. I is the subject pronoun. The possessive adjective is my. I am a girl. My name is May. Possessive. It belongs to you. You, your name is Carlos. Your name is Carlos. He, his name is Mr. Gomez. His name is Mr. Gomez. She, her name is Maria. Her name is Maria. Its name is Snowy, like the cat, Snowy. The dog, our. Our names are Carlos and Carmen. They, their. Their names are Samir and Bick. Their names are Samir and Bick. When you're ready, copy the sentences into your notebook. Fill in the blanks with the correct possessive adjective. Hi, my name is Marcos. I'm from Brazil. This is my sister. Her name is Clara. She's pretty. And this is my brother. His name is Luis. My mother and father are here too. Their names are Ricardo and Helena. Hi, my name is Marcos. I'm from Brazil. This is my sister. Her name is Clara. She's pretty. And this is my brother. His name is Luis. My mother and father are here too. Their names are Ricardo and Helena. Hello, we're looking in Keys to Learning, Chapter 3, Grammar 1, page 40. Whenever you see grammar boxes like this, make sure you're writing this down in your notes and studying it. Articles a and an. Here's the rule. Use a before nouns that begin with consonant sounds. Use an before nouns that begin with vowel sounds. And here's the reminder, what are the vowels? Vowels. In the ABC, the vowels are these 5 letters. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. The vowels. And everything else is a consonant. So we use A for any word that has a consonant sound, and we use an for any word that starts with a vowel sound. So A for any word that starts with a consonant sound, and for any word that starts with a vowel sound. For example, a book, a comb, a hairbrush, a pencil, a wallet, an apple, an eraser, an ice cream bar, an orange, an umbrella. Directions. Copy the sentences into your notebook. Then fill in the blanks with a or an. Carmen has an umbrella. Carlos has, what do we put? A backpack. Starts with a consonant. May has, okay, we have a vowel. May has an orange. Liliana has vowel or consonant. That's right. A notebook. Samir has an eraser. Let's read them now. Read with me. Carmen has an umbrella. Carlos has a backpack. May has an orange. Liliana has a notebook. Samir has an eraser. Demonstrative pronouns. This and that. This is an orange. That is an apple. So when it's close to you, you say this. When you're pointing to something away from you, we say that. This, that. And notice the green box. Make sure this goes into your notes. The contraction for that is that's. That's. Read the conversation, then listen. Hi, Luis. Is this your backpack? No, it's not. That's my backpack. Hi, Luis. Is this your... When we work with a partner, we will change this word to other school words. Is this your pencil? No, it's not. That's my pencil. Hi, Luis. Is this your pen? No, it's not. That's my pen. Okay. In your notebook, write 2 more dialogues. Not with a backpack, but 2 other school objects. And be prepared to share that with a partner. Grammar 2, demonstrative pronouns, these and those. So this is for one. That is for one. These, 2 or more, those, 2 or more. These are pens. Those are erasers. These are pens. Those are erasers. Look at the pictures. Then copy the sentences in your notebook. These are pencils. These are hairbrushes. These are those. Those are computers. These are erasers. Shh, that's my dog. That is my dog. Shh, 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 shh. Sorry. Those are umbrellas. Stop. Those are combs. Let's say it again. These are pencils. These are hairbrushes. Those are computers. These are erasers. Those are umbrellas. Those are combs. When you're ready, Part B. Copy the sentences into your notebook, then fill in the blanks with this, that, these, or those. Those are folders. So let's see. This is single and this is plural, so it has to be this one because it has an S. Those are folders. A comb is singular. It's just one comb, so it's going to be this. This is a comb. Umbrella is singular. It's one, so it's going to be this. This is an umbrella. Orange, one orange. That is an orange. Pens, that's plural. So which one? Those. Those are his pens. Schedules. Schedules. These. These are schedules. Okay, good job. Make sure that's in your notebook. Grammar 3. Possessive of singular and plural nouns. Singular, plural. Kiko's pens. See the possessive, apostrophe S. Martin's backpack. The girls' umbrellas. The girls' umbrellas. The boys' caps. Okay, do you see where the S comes first, then the apostrophe? Copy the sentences into your notebook. Then fill in the blanks with the correct form of the possessive pronoun. So whose umbrellas are these? Whose umbrellas? Whose umbrellas are those? Okay, they are the girls' umbrellas. The boys' caps. The boys' caps. Okay. That is Carlos's book. Say it with me. That is Carlos's book. That is Carmen's wallet. Carmen's. Carmen, apostrophe, S. Carmen's. This is Maria's hairbrush. These are Bics pencils. Those are Liliana's notebooks. Let's read it again. Read with me. That is Carlos's book. That is Carmen's wallet. This is Maria's hairbrush. These are Bics pencils. Those are Liliana's notebooks. Copy the sentences into your notebook, then fill in the blanks with apostrophe S or apostrophe. Pablo's wallet, again, into your notebook. Pablo's wallet is from Mexico. The boys, you don't add the S, just the apostrophe. The boys' backpacks are big. The students, you already have an S, just put the apostrophe. The students' schedules are the same. My brother, apostrophe S, my brother's name is Steve. The students in Mr. Gomez's class speak English.